Is ketosis good for weight loss? How does keto make you lose weight? Keto is great for weight loss, and my top 6 reasons are as follows. Number 1 is natural appetite control. You will experience a huge reduction in the hormonal stimulation of appetite. Number 2 is loss of sugar addiction. Sugar is highly addictive and it is in virtually all processed foods. On keto, you avoid sugars because sugar is a carb, and keto, as you know, is a high-fat, low-carb diet. Number 3 is satisfying foods that will fill you up. So on keto, you eat plenty of fat, and fat is known to fill you up and increase feelings of satiety rather than eating carbs and getting hungry a few hours later. Remember, all your cravings come from carbs and sugar. Your brain is hardwired that way. Number 4 is fat adaptation. The body gets better at burning fat and accessing your excess fat stores much quicker, which means losing more weight quicker. Number 5 is healthy choices. So a lot of unhealthy processed foods is eliminated from the keto diet. Number 6 is portion control. Eating consciously becomes easier and better planned. Once carbs and sugar are out of your system and you are eating more fat, you will find yourself eating less to feel full.